In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV in Canva seamlessly and effectively, making sure your document is both professional and eye-catching. So, let's jump right in. First off, if you haven't already, head on over to canva.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. This is where all the magic starts. Now, direct your attention to the search bar at the top, right in the middle of the dashboard. This is your gateway to an abundance of templates Canva offers. Typing CV template here will open up a world of possibilities, each designed to suit various styles and professions. Using a template is a wise choice because it saves you time and provides a professional layout as a starting point. So, in the search bar, type in CV template and hit enter. What you'll see next are numerous templates designed just for CVs. Take a moment to scroll through these options and find one that resonates with your personal style or the type of business you're targeting. Once you've found a template you like, particularly a free one, click on it. This click will open up a preview window of the template. It's important to take a quick look here to ensure that every element suits your needs. Pay attention to the layout, color scheme, and sections included. Once you're satisfied with your choice, look for the Customize this template button. Clicking this will take you to the editor where you can begin personalizing your CV. Now, let's start making it your own. On the left side menu, you'll find an option to drag and drop a photo onto the CV. If your template includes a photo section, replace the existing image with one of yourself. This is especially important if you're applying for a role where personal branding is key. Simply hover over the image area and drag your photo there. With your picture in place, it's time to update all of the details necessary for your CV. This includes your name, contact information, educational background, work experience, and any other relevant sections. Feel free to edit fonts, change colors, or add other elements that reflect your personal brand. Canva provides a range of customization options, so explore the features and make sure your CV not only looks good, but also represents you well. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've created a standout CV using Canva. You're now ready to download or share it with potential employers. Remember, the key is to ensure that your information is up to date and neatly presented. Good luck with your job applications, and thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.